Section 4.3, number 7, part A, B, and D. You don't have to do C. I'm going to do C here. So this time we're not counting blocks. We are counting the pennies. And notice the pennies, they are separated into three rows. 1, 2, 3. So when you in your explanation, you can use the words rows and then columns. So we have column 1, column 2, and column 3, and column 4. Okay, and also in each spot there is a stack of them. So it's not just one penny. It actually we have five layers in each stack. So each of these you call it a stack, and we can call it in the stack we can call say 5 layers. So there are words you can use: rows and the columns, stack, and the layers. So I'm gonna do number C here. Again, if you understood this in class, you probably don't need to watch this video. So I did explain this in class already. Okay, so this is how we why did this person counted the total number of pennies by this expression: 5 times princess, 3 times 4 princess. Okay, so first of all, notice 5 comes from 5 layers. So what this person did is, so he or she will put pennies first in rows and columns. So 3 rows. Again, this is just one single penny, one layer. So this person put 3 rows and 4 columns. So that's a total of 3 times 4 pennies right here. But then the person will stack for on top of each penny, and we will stack another penny. So I'm going to use a different color because it's hard for me to draw that way. So I'm going to draw another penny, another penny, another penny, another penny, another penny. So for every single penny we have on the table, we're going to put another one on top of them. And that's 2 layers. So that would be another 12, or 3 times 4. So if I have 2 layers, it will be 2 times. But notice we have 5 layers. So we have to continue to do this and just add another layer. So one more layer on each of them. And so that's another. So that's going to be 3 times 4. And then actually we have to do 4th layer, another 3 times 4. And then finally 5th layer, another 3 times 4. So that's all together 5 layers, and each layer has 3 times 4 pennies. So this is how this person counted. So in my explanation, I just said the pennies are arranged in 5 layers, and each layer has 3 rows and 4 pennies. So that's a total of 12 in each layer. But because we have 5 layers, think of it as 5 groups, each layer as a group, and each group has 12.